It is 5:21 p.m. Monday evening, November 4th, 2024. We are aboard the Flam Railway in Norway, FLAM, but we're in Norway and there's an O over the A, so I'm probably not pronouncing it correctly. And it's the railway is actually the Flamsbana. Runs between Myrdal, where we're headed, Myrdal, and Flam. We're going the other way, Flam to Myrdal. 12.6 miles. We're somewhere along this run today, this evening, from Flam to Myrdal. We've been going up, or maybe even now, a 5.5% grade, 1 in 18. And every train stops to about 5 minutes at the waterfall that we just stopped at. And the Flam Railway is now the third most popular tourist attraction in Norway. There are 10 stations, 20 tunnels, 1 bridge.
To the left, we will have a view of the Flam Valley through an opening in the tunnel.
You can tell we're going around sharp curves with the squilling of the flanges. And this railway opened 15 October 1941. Each train has 5 brake systems. Each brake system is capable of stopping the train on the 5.5% grade. We have a Class EL-18 electric locomotive built by Adtrans, ADTRANZ, and Swiss Locomotive and Machine Works at the Adtrans Strømmen Norway plant, STROMMEN. 3022 in Norway, built in 1996 and 1997. Flam that we're coming from, it's a village in Flamsdalen Valley, FLAMSDALEN, at the inner end of the Aurlandsfjord, AURLANDSFJORD, population 350. And the railway, the crew is VY Gruppen, formerly the Norwegian State Railways NSB. VY Gruppen replaced NSB about 4 years ago. Operates most passenger trains in Norway. Has a sub-brand CargoNet freight trains operating in Norway. And it's owned by the Norwegian Ministry of Transport. The original NSB, Norwegian State Railways, was established in 1883. Employed 10,616 employees in 2006. Carried 52 million passengers in 2009. And there are 1,864 rail miles in Norway. And Myrdal, where we're about to reach, is located on the Oslo-Bergen railway line. It's just a remote train station, not a village. Elevation 2,844 feet above sea level. It's the upper terminal of this Flam Line local railway, which ascends to Myrdal from the valley floor of the Sognefjord, SOGNEFJORD. It's 194 miles west of Oslo, rail miles 69 rail miles east of Bergen. And I will be taking a mainline train from Myrdal back to Oslo Central Station, due to depart at 6:54 p.m. There's our conductor. VY rolling stock consists of 36 Class 72 electric multiple unit train sets, 82 Class 69 EMUs, 19 Class 92 diesel multiple units for commuter service, and then for regional and intercity trains, 22 Class 73 and 16 Class 70 electric multiple unit train sets, and Class 93 diesel multiple unit sets, 22 Class EL-18 electric locomotives. Best of all, 4 Thyssen-Henschel, Kassel, Germany, Stroke Electromotive Division, General Motors Corporation, LaGrange, Illinois plant where I worked, Class DI-4 diesel electric locomotives. They're used on the passenger trains in Norway on the Nordsjælland line between Trondheim and Buda, BODO, north of the Arctic Circle, and they are the only diesel electric locomotives still running on passenger trains in Norway, rated at 3,290 horsepower. Best of all, the diesel engine is Electromotive Division, General Motors Corporation, LaGrange, Illinois plant where I worked, 16-cylinder -645 E3B turbocharged engine. Again, Monday evening, November 4th, 2024, aboard the Flam Railway train heading from Flam to Myrdal, Norway, over and out.